What is the icon of luxury, class and elegance in this nautical sector? A Riva motorboat. Its name? 88 Folgore. It differs from other large Riva yachts because it is more sporty. Its lines denote a thorough search for style and innovation, yet always with the aim of being recognised as a Riva product. On this yacht, new and classic coexist. The carbon and steel handrail, the mahogany starter of the swimming platform. The navigation lights are hidden as if to indicate, in a discreet way, the Riva logo. 27 metres in length and up to 5,276 horsepower in total, hence the name Folgore, which in Italian means flash of lightning. The windshield at the base is tilted backwards. That is the new Riva style, as is the line that seems to divide the hull in two. The large cockpit includes, in addition to the table that converts into a sun deck, a cocktail bar with a perfectly equipped electric moving top. While on the opposite side, there is a refrigerator and an ice maker. Riva 88 Folgore belongs to what is called the sportfly category, due to the presence of an upper deck that is not very visible yet very enjoyable. Going up on the Flybridge through a steel staircase, a sliding door opens which allows you to enjoy a special view. In favourable weather conditions, the command post, which is located at the centre, allows a navigation which is in contact with the natural elements. All around are sofas and chairs with armrests in carbon. Facing towards the stern is the sun deck. The entire Flybridge can be shaded with an awning supported by carbon poles placed in a special peak. A dual movement air intake has the function of cooling down the space. After opening, the aft garage door tilts further towards the water, allowing the launch or hauling of a tender up to 395 centimetres and a jet ski. A pivoting system simplifies operations, leaving space for the beach area. It is very clear a sports yacht dedicated to those who love being outdoors, but with class and style. The forward area is furnished with a classic solarium and an important lounge area that can be shaded with an awning. A well-organised warping line area at the far bow. On the large sun deck, an electric canopy awning can be set up. Those who choose Riva know that its interiors have an absolute elegant atmosphere, and that their yacht, like their residence, must offer an extraordinary hospitality, with seating areas and service areas gracefully hidden. In the hall, the height is 2 metres. The dining table is for 8 people, and beside it, a cupboard for plates and glasses. In addition to the large windows, the living area also includes a side access door. Looking up, you can see that the light filters through thanks to a system of adjustable slats. The engine standard is 2 MTU M96 2435 horsepower, or alternatively 2 MTU M96L 2638 horsepower. Riva 88 Folgore has an integrated navigation system, Naviot plus Simrad, that controls and commands the machinery and, during navigation, the functions of the electronic steering system with Zenta hydraulic actuators. The Zenta joystick maneuvering system also functions as an electric anchor. Leaving the lounge area through a dedicated staircase, you reach the kitchen and the crew quarters. A sliding door further separates the 2 room areas. The main access leads to the 4 cabins below deck. The owner's suite is exceptional with its 24 square metres. The height is 2.2 metres. There are different layouts provided for this suite, either with 2 walk-in closets, with 1 walk-in closet and a luxurious vanity corner, or with a walk-in closet and 2 separate bathrooms. In the VIP cabin, the materials and their colours are the same as in the other rooms, yet here the contrast is stronger. The closet and bathroom door almost merge together. There are 2 other guest cabins, one with 2 berths and another with a double bed. Both have a wonderful view of the sea. Riva 88 Folgore is fast and innovative. The magnetic charm of its design is all balanced between past and present.